Ever wondered how Santa manages his worldwide gift distribution? It's a masterclass in logistics. Think about it. Billions of presents, one night. He's a champion of time management. And his reindeer? They're the ultimate athletes, soaring through the night sky. Remember, the magic of Christmas isn't just in the gifts, it's in the giving. So, as we head into 2024, let's channel our inner Santa. Be generous, swift, and spread joy everywhere we go. The aroma of pine and cinnamon. Yes, you guessed it. It's that time of the year again. As we bid adieu to 2023, we welcome a fresh start, a clean slate, a new chapter. Every corner of the world is filled with joy, laughter, and merriment. The streets are alive with celebrations, faces aglow with the magic of the season. And at the heart of it all, standing tall and radiant, is the Christmas tree, a symbol of hope and new beginnings. Santa Claus, our jolly old friend, is busy spreading cheer and making wishes come true. His hearty laugh echoing, filling hearts with warmth and love. So, here's to embracing the new year with open arms, to finding joy in the little things, and to cherishing these moments of togetherness. Remember, the magic of the season is not in the presents, but in its presence. So immerse yourself in the spirit of the season. Happy New Year, and may the magic of the holidays stay with you throughout the year.
New Year resolutions echo around. Folks clad in vibrant sweaters gather around their Christmas tree, twinkling with fairy lights. Spot Santa Claus, the jolliest man of the season, spreading cheer with his hearty ho-ho-hos. He's got a sack full of dreams, hopes, and aspirations for the coming year, a symbol of the joyous possibilities that lie ahead. And as the clock strikes midnight, the sky bursts into a spectacle of colors, fireworks, a beautiful chaos that marks the end of an era and the beginning of a new one. So here's to a fresh start, to new beginnings, and to a fantastic 2024. Happy New Year, everyone.